Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ramini Safajari and I'm an English student of Universitas Maritim Raja Ali Haji. In this video, I will retell about movie called Notting Hill. Synopsis of Notting Hill. William Taker, or Will, is a widower who owns a travel bookstore on Notting Hill Street. The shop is small and the income he gets from his profession is not much. One day, Will arrives a customer who is none other than a famous American artist named Anna Scott. Will is fascinated and falls in love with Anna. As fate would have it, Will meets Anna again. Will accidentally bumps into Anna and spills oranges on her shirt. Will also invites Anna to clean clothes at his house, which is not far from the location. When Anna leaves Will's house, she spontaneously kisses Will and leaves Will still stunned by what happened. A few days later, Anna and Will decide to meet again, and Anna even agrees to be Will's dad on his sister's birthday. Anna then meets Will's sister and close friend. Will's love journey is tortuous. Will finds out that Anna already has a boyfriend and he tries to forget her. But one day, Anna comes again and stays at his house because of the scandal that befell her. Anna then meets Will's strange housemate, Spike. In the morning, many reporters were waiting at Will's house. It turns out that Spike accidentally leaked into the media that Anna was staying at his house. Anna and Will also get into a fight. Anna also leaves Will, and year later, Will, who still loves Anna, comes back to Anna while she is working. However, she hears that Will is only considered a thing of the past by Anna. Will also left Anna. Anna then comes to Will's shop and confesses her love, but Will rejects Anna. Will said that we're too different. Will also told his friends that he rejected Anna. Spike then says that Will is crazy to reject Anna. Will then realizes his feelings and then attends Anna's last press conference before she turns to America. In front of many reporters, Will apologizes to Anna implicitly and asks if Anna is willing to forgive him and start all over again. Anna answers yes, and then the reporters realize that Will has a man who lived in Notting Hill where Anna had stayed. These are the characters of Notting Hill movie. The main characters are Anna Scott and William Taker. The protagonist is Anna Scott and William Taker. There is no antagonist character in this movie, and the peripherals are Spike, Bernie, Honey, Taker, Max, and Bella. The plot in this movie: William Taker owns a travel bookstore in Notting Hill, London. His wife has left him for another man and he shares his house with a flaky man named Spike. He meets Hollywood actress Anna Scott when she enters the shop. The exposition of this movie: he meets Hollywood actress Anna Scott when she enters the shop. Later in the street, Will accidentally spills oranges on her and he invites her to his nearby house to change. When leaving, she impulsively kisses him. She later invites him to visit her at the Ritz Hotel, but he is mistaken for a reporter and ushered into a press junket for Anna's new film. He pretends to interview her and the other cast members as a writer from Horse and Hound magazine. The rising action from this movie: she asks to be his dad at his sister's birthday party that evening, where she gets on well with Will's friends and sister. Later, they climb a fence and enter a private neighborhood park where Anna again kisses Will. Anna invites Will to her hotel room, but their plans change when her movie star boyfriend, of whom he was unaware, has unexpectedly arrived from America to be with her. Will pretends to be a hotel worker to avoid detection. Will's friends try to help him get over his disappointment, and over the next 6 months, they set him up on a series of dates. but he finds it impossible to forget Anna. The climax from this movie. One day, a distraught Anna appears at Will's doorstep in need of a place to hide from a tabloid scandal. She apologizes for the hotel incident, telling him that her relationship with the boyfriend is over. They enjoy spending time together, discover shared interests, and discuss Will's print of Marc Chagall's 1950 painting La Marie. They sleep together that night, but reporters inadvertently tipped off by Spike beside that Will's house and take pictures of him, Anna, and of Spike half-dressed at the front door. Furious, Anna blames Will, tells him she regrets coming there for help and leaves. The following action from Notting Hill. At a dinner with his friends, he discovers that Anna is back in London making a film. He visits her shots where Anna sees him and invites him past security so he can watch the filming to talk privately afterwards. Despite realizing the film is a period Henry James rendition, Will overhears her dismiss him to a co-stars and leaves without further contact. The next day, Anna comes to the bookshop with a wrapped gift. Will tells her what he overheard at the movie set, and she explains that she did not want to discuss her private life with an indiscreet co-star. She then confesses that she loves him and asks if they can rekindle their relationship. He rejects her from fear of getting hurt again. The resolution from this movie. Will meets his friends and sister in a restaurant with the orphanage gift Chagall's original La Marie or the Bride painting. They act supportive and half-heartedly back up his decision. Spike arrives and when told about the situation declares that Will is a daft freak and Will fully realizes his mistake. They all race across London to Anna's hotel where they learn that she has checked out and is giving a press conference at the Savoy Hotel. Will arrives in time to hear Anna's publicist tell the press that Anna will be taking a year off and will be leaving the UK that night. A reporter asks about Tucker based on the controversial photographs of them on her last trip, and Anna says they are just friends. Will, again pretending to be a horse and hound reporter, asks Anna if she would consider being more than friends with Tucker if he admitted to having been a daft freak, a crazy person, and beg her forgiveness. She says she would after exchanging a few glances with Will. Anna requests that a reporter ask her again how long she plans to stay in England. She answers indefinitely. The press begins snapping pictures of Anna and Will. Anna and Will marry, attend a Hollywood red carpet event, and when Anna becomes pregnant, spend quiet time on the bench in the park they had visited on the first day. So my favorite scene from this movie is when Anna wants Will to take her to her sister's birthday party, and when they arrive at his friend's house, who was like a brother to him, Anna politely got acquainted with him and his disabled wife. When Will's sister came, she was very surprised and very happy when she met Anna Scott. After returning from the birthday dinner, all the guests at his sister's birthday party cheered because they were happy that the Hollywood movie stars Anna Scott had visited their house. On the way home, Will and Anna don't go home right away. They walk first and then climb the fence and enter the private neighborhood park where Anna kisses Will again. I think the best title for this movie, according to me, is When Falling in Love is Not Just a Dream. And the important lessons that I got from this movie is we should be grateful under any circumstances in this world. We are not the only ones who have problems. Everyone has to, but not shown, and always relax as if nothing had happened. And also, this movie taught me that whatever the way, whether it's complicated or not, if he is mean for you, he will find a way to you. That's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.